So, hello beautiful people, welcome to another round of me trying to improve. Yeah, it's another 6, this one, right? Yeah, this is 806. It could be more, but and what is your goal? Sorry, I forgot. Well, oh, hey Clasher. So I guess we'll have a workout before going to work. Yeah, maybe. There is some time limit though between them. So I should be fine, hopefully. Oh, well then, okay. What is the next lesson? Maybe I will not do in 30 seconds. Okay, so bye. And we will continue in this. I might miss. I don't feel anymore that completely stuck. That's good. That's good. It's all about just sticking with it and just continue no matter what. Then eventually it will cave in. Okay, I forgot what I was doing in here. With the NG model, huh? Oh, I forgot to start this timer. A data property. Yeah, do it. Build. That's the main thing. You know what programmers do, right? Programmers build applications. They don't go through. Well, they do, but you know what makes a programmer is that he's able or she is able to build applications. So that's what you need to train, definitely. Yeah. Okay, this is not part of the ng model functionality. I'm almost sure. Oh, you can learn on the go. And that was the ng model. Okay, so it is in here. Interesting. Here it is. And the constructor is second, I think, ID. Okay, so what is the point here? What they are trying to say to me? Oh, by the way, I have noticed that I'm one short for 300 subscribers. Not subscribers, followers. One short for 300 subscribers. Not that it would mean anything, but still. Hey, Tankat. Nice to see you again. Okay, we did this and we did that. Oh, my pleasure, my pleasure. It doesn't say what the fuck it does. Okay, so this is exactly the same, right? We have seriously. Here is without the ng model. Well, good that you are enjoying it. In the same company? You bought the teacupping set, right? If I remember correctly. Nice. Okay, how this... Okay, that's not what I wanted. No, that was not what I was expecting. This definitely is a binded thingy in here. Oh. That's also in built-in directives, okay. Oh yeah, that's the binding to the thingy and the input. Ah, oh, look at that. That's something. So what they are doing in here, they are binding to that value attribute, right? And the output from the input will go in the current item name. And what we put in it it might be the other way around. Yeah, here we are assigning and the value is the first one set up on an input, right? Yeah, so value John, that means it will start with a John. Yep. Change it, whatever. What was the other thing? I was looking at it here. Value and then the input. I'm not sure if that's part of that. Okay, now, is it input because it's called input or what? Oh yes, yes. He did come. He would be lurking in the background, I suppose. So after this timer, I will do those things before going to work. Some all the time uh, I'm correcting mistakes of my colleagues and the product managers as well. And sometimes I feel like they are doing, especially the teams which we did hire in India. Seems to me they are not paying attention to what they are doing. I think they need to increase their diligence and focus on what they are doing. There's a lot of issues with that with their output. They are really cheap, but I'm not sure if that's like even for the company. It's like it if it makes sense uh, money-wise, financially. Well, I explain exactly how to fix it, usually. Well, on the description of the ticket, sometimes I fix them. When it is in a code review, I tell them how it should be and why. And I don't catch all of them, unfortunately. So I was thinking about changing the workplace to something where people would have greater greater knowledge. They would be more experienced, or at least they care. Or I'm not sure what's happening in there. And the thing is, I'm not like a great programmer, you know, and so it's a bit worrying for me. Why is here the input singing? Yes, yes, that's exactly what I mean. I see. Hey, marhaban, Nightlight. No, 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 no. I'm just coming late to work. I will finish this, finish those, and I will go to work. Okay, if I understand correctly, this equals that. I'm confused about the input thingy in here, but okay. Because, yeah, what the fuck? The get value does what? Get value returns event target as HTML value, so it returns the value of that thingy. Yeah, so it reads. If I change it in here, this is current item name, so that should change it too, right? This should change the field in input. Is it running? I think it is. Okay. Without, so yeah, so it works. Or we can use the ng model. Oh, well, it's just I'm going through documentation, you know, in the nook and crannies, you know, searching for things I'm not aware of. I don't know. Okay, and here we have the model change. Yeah, but here's using ng model, and here is using the ng. Like, where is he taking those names from? Suppose the case that will be, yeah, this correct item, yeah, sure. There's the binding. If I do it without that, oh, look at that. If I delete the ng model, the ng model change is fucked up. Okay, so those two have to go together. It's not possible to have one. I can have this. Oh. This will be input. Now this thing will be 2. And this is the more I see of the quadrant that I can avoid it. Oh well. Everyone look like something else. Yeah, and here the signature for the get value takes event. So what is the difference? Okay, it takes name. Okay, so yeah, inside here. It will be current item dot name equals value dot to uppercase. Here we go. This should work right. Why is it all the other shit rats out to those things? See, okay. Save it. And now I should have 2 in here, and this should work as well, right? Oh look, it changes. Okay, this one is binded to itself as well. So what I'm missing in there is the binding of the, and it will be value, and that will be equal to current item dot name. And this way, if it rebuilds, yep, now I have that. So I was able to do basically the same thing. So we can use the value, we can use the ng model. The ng model already takes out the value and unpacks it. Right here I have to do event, element, whatever, take value, but here I can say I'm getting name. That's it, you know, into uppercase. Yeah, Commodore 64 for the win. The most sold computer ever in the same configuration. Oh, afterward, those motherfuckers, they were selling this computer for like 10 or 15 years straight without change. Any change, imagine that, like 10 years, no new computer, same shit. It's unthinkable nowadays. You've got like new computer like every year. 10 years. Maybe even more, I don't know. It was at least 10 years without any changes, and they were like selling it for 20 with minor changes or something like that. Write expanded form which separates the property and event binding. So property binding is this. This is the event binding. It's interesting that you have this helper thingy that you don't have to unpack it. Okay, cool. And without the ng model, what is the benefit? Let us see. So without, you have the get value, then we have to unpack it, right? On setting the value, that's kind of okay, but we have to write it, you know, like the second part. When we are using the ng model, we get the both sides, both ways binding, and it basically creates this thingy for you. So that's quite short. It's basically shorthand for this. Hey, Nereus, my name is I'm good. How are you? A little bit tired. I will go to work in 6 minutes, something, and some exercises. I did share some atrocities from work, right, on a Discord. Oh well, yeah, it is what it is. Okay, what is the bin done thingy, huh? Yeah, what are you onto? What the fuck? What is the bin done ng model? The fuck? Oh, look at that. Started my day being late. Oh, that's another way how to bind. Okay, so this is the normal binding. Where's the bind on? It's not fucking here. What the fuck? But it shows here, for the fuck's sake. So what the... You're kidding me? See, I cannot find it. Is here in the results. Bind on. No, but it's not. What the fuck? This I know. Where's the bind on? Been done. So it's basically the same thing as this, right? Yeah, alternative syntax. Oh, hold on. There's a on. So that's bind and bind on. You have bind, you have on, and you have bind on. Holy shit, look at that. Alternative syntax for it. Okay, great. Why? So bind, that means from the component. I'll put it in there. On is this. I'll click. So on event click, we'll call this thingy, okay. And bind on, there's a two-way binding. I'm not sure how I feel about this alternative syntax. Okay, at least we learned something, at least. Do we have to have the ng model in here? That is another question. Well, this concludes this thingy. So, we'll stop the recording.